Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another edition of EDU 600 Research Methods. We are actually on Monday, we will be entering week number 11 out of 14, so we're making tremendous progress. Thank you for the effort that you've put in. And before we get to week number 11, I just wanted to shift gears and just go over the assignments. So, as you can see, well, this is my screen. There's 11 article captures that I still need to provide comments on and grade. And then your experimental critiques, which are due tomorrow by midnight. If you're having trouble with this and you need a couple more days, please let me know. Also, if you're running behind you on your article critiques, I really will need those in the next couple of days. The plan is to be caught up. I'll have all of your article captures done by midweek, Tuesday or Wednesday, probably before that, and your experimental critique, which is due tomorrow by midnight, I will have those done by next weekend. So that's where we're at. As far as I'll spend a little time next week talking about the data matrix and the final review, but we're really focusing in on, we're kind of bringing everything together in the next few weeks of the class. So as far as the assignments, stay tuned. Once again, article capture, I'll have those by Wednesday, and your experimental critiques, I will have those by next weekend, by the end of next weekend. Okay, so let's go back to week number 11, and I will try to be as brief as possible. Week number 11, we're going to be studying mixed methods, and mixed methods is a combination of qualitative and quantitative research. Oftentimes, or not oftentimes, but sometimes research is conducted and the research is just, say, quantitative. You get the numbers, you do a Likert scale, and then you find out that on question number 1, people rated question number 1 4.3, and question 2 they rated it 4.6, and question 3 they rated it as 3.7. So you have the data. The data's telling you something, but sometimes the researcher wants to dig in even further. What does this actual data tell us? So that's where the mixed methods come in. So you could conduct the qualitative research after the quantitative research, or it could be done beforehand, but really it's done in a way that you want to find out really what's behind, especially if you start off with quantitative, then you go to qualitative. You really want to know what is behind that 3.2 rating, or the 3.6 rating, or the 5.0 rating. You want to get the info. To give you an idea, I was involved with some research where we were trying to rebrand a program in the state. The program was a community forestry program, and we sent out a poll to, I can't remember how many people, and just say it was 200 people, and we got responses. It was quantitative research, it was survey research, and we got the numbers. We were looking for titles to rebrand the community forestry program, and we didn't have a good read on, okay, why are we getting these discrepancies? So we held as a second part of the research study, we held focus groups. And as you know, focus groups are qualitative research. And what we found was that some of the wording that we were using were powerful. They were strong, and people had an adverse reaction to it. One of the words that we were using was canopy. And we thought a canopy in the woods is warm, inviting, comforting, but we had some really opposing views on this word. And so once again, we had an overall score, but we wanted to find out more. So that was one of the things we examined in the focus group. The focus group, we brought people together in Portland, numerous focus groups, and to make a long story short, what we found out was that for a certain segment of the people that did the survey, which were generally Vietnam veterans that responded, we found out in the focus group that canopy was not a warm and comforting thought. It was kind of a scary place to them because they were in Vietnam, at least the people that showed up at the focus group, and their image of a canopy wasn't the same as what we thought of as when we think of a forest canopy, warm, comforting. So that's just a very brief example of mixed methods. Mixed methods it's a combination of both. And some of you have mixed methods as part of your article critiques. So this week, to get us going, well, I'm doing the video right now, so you'll have that shortly. Course participants will understand the purposes and premises underlying mixed methods research, understand how mixed methods research combines qualitative and quantitative. I'd like you to read chapter 13, and then I'd like you to read one of these articles. There's 4 articles, and then comment on them in the applicable discussion forum. So read one of the following articles and critically evaluate the methods, data analysis, results, and conclusions. Keep this short. You don't have to go overboard with this. You don't have to put a cover page on it. This is truly a discussion post. So the articles are, this is the first one, Exploring Out-of-School Play, Mixed Methods Teacher Grit, Dual Language and Peers Feedback, and then Black Girl Suspension. These, you can pick any one of those. An advanced organizer in week number 12. Now, this time of the semester, sometimes I tweak them, so I would say this is going to be 90% accurate. I may change a couple of things, but you can go on this. So here's the discussion forums for each one of the articles. You can choose which one. And then we don't have it, don't worry, we don't have it coming up till November 20th, but this is after you do your experimental critique. This is the next assignment that we're going to have. And I'm going to have much more information and videos, and we'll spend a lot of time on this assignment next weekend. So for now, if you have any question, please let me know. Yay, I did it. I did the video in less than 8 minutes. I hope you have a wonderful week, and maybe you have an opportunity to get outside today and actually spend some time out in the sunny 70-degree weather that we're going to have today. So let me know if I can help, and we'll see you online. Bye, everybody.